Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, so prediction, gabay. So yan ang ating titingnan. Okay, pero syempre again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay? And kung kayo magpaparid nga, so message na lang po. Huwag kayong magtatanong sa comment section, okay? Because we don't reply sa comment section, no? And ito yung ating, okay, papakilala natin ulit. So ito yung cord cutting natin, yung pangtanggal po ng blockage, okay? Sa energy, okay? So pangtanggal ng blockage para tuloy-tuloy po yung pasok ng mga biyaya, opportunities, yan, mga ganyan po, no? So, kung meron man kayo na sa tingin ninyo is dapat may darating, pwedeng nabablock yun, nasa frequency nyo lang, and kapag nawala yung blockages na yun, pwedeng pumasok na yun, no? And syempre, ito yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, ito po yung magbibigay ng magandang energy pagdating po sa love connection and syempre sa pamemera. Meron siyang citrine stone. Okay? So, citrine stone is the money magnet, the merchant stone. Okay? So, meron siya dyan. So, ganito siya. This is 7 inches long, by the way. Okay, hindi siya na-adjust po, no? So, kung isusuot nyo siya, so this is 7 inches long from here to here. Okay? So, kung maliit yung wrist mo, kung hindi mo siyang isusuot, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch kasi charm siya. Okay? Pwede siyang hindi nakasuot, pwede siyang nakasuot, no? Kung lalaki ka, yes, pwede rin ilagay sa red pouch, no? And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, siya naman yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, specific na mga wini-wish ninyo. Okay? Ang kaibahan niya dito is ito, para siyang general. Okay? Kung anong pwede sa'yo, yes, ibibigay niya. Pero ito, dito ka pwedeng makapag-wish, makapag-manifest, yung pang sarili. Sabihin natin, kung sakali man, no, parang naka-customize. Oo, no? So, ayun. Oo. So, lahat ng pwedeng ibigay again ng dalawang ito, kung may blockage ka, hindi papasok. May ipit lang siya sa frequency mo, sa energy mo. Okay? So, mas maganda, kung ganun nga, tingin mo, lagi kang may blockage, sama mo na to. Okay? Huwag ka nang manghinayang. Ganun rin naman. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Yung ating mga evil eye protection, they're all available. Yung ating ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable po. Ito yung necklace natin. Okay? This is unisex. Okay, ganyan po siya, no, sa malapitan. Maganda rin siya, actually, sa personal, no. And, syempre, yung ating mga bracelet din. May bracelets din po tayo na evil eye protection. Syempre, hindi tayo magpapawala din ng what? Yung ating cleansing kit na napaka-importante pagdating po sa charms ninyo. Okay, kahit hindi galing sa akin yung charms, kung meron kayong mga charms dyan, yes, you have to recharge. Okay? Kasi, may mga energies po yan, no? Kung madalas siya nakakapagbigay sa'yo, nalulubat po yan. Ha? Okay? So, transparent lang tayo doon. And, syempre, ano pa ba? Yung ating love connection spray. Okay? So, andun yung energy na makaka-attract ka. Okay? Makaka-attract ka in terms of money, in terms of connection, in love. Yan, mga ganyan po. No? So, hindi ko pa na ipapakita rito yung ating love spray connection. Okay? Connection spray. Ang tawag doon, attraction, offer attraction. Okay, anyway, kung may mga tanong pa, message na lang po. Okay? Sa akin pong FB page. Sa legit FB page. Okay? So, let's start the reading. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. So, anong meron? Anong kailangang malaman ng mga air signs? Okay, the Five of Swords in reverse. And the Six of Swords. Oh, this is nice. A nice energy. Patungo sa, sabihin nating, paganda. In general. Kung ano man yung mga pinaplano nyo, kailangan nang i-execute. Okay? Kailangan nyo nang i-execute. So, andun yung narinig ko na parang nothing to worry. Mas mag-worry ka kung hindi mo gagawin. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay, kasi ikaw itong lalong magkakaroon ng maraming tanong kung hindi mo gagawin yung mga bagay na nakaplano na or mga gusto mong gawin nga. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong makikipag-ayos or may makikipag-ayos sa'yo. Could be a fellow air sign. Yeah. So, Five of Wands and the Two of Wands in reverse. Ang dami ditong kilos. Maraming iniisip, maraming ikikilos. Okay? So, open yung iba sa inyo for, ang tawag dito, kompetensya. Nakakarinig ako may kompetensyang mangyayari. Okay? May makakakompetensya kayo or yeah, something like that. Pero you're open. Okay? Hindi kayo parang matatakot or what. Meron ditong sabihin nating hindi naman ito problem or drama. This is like a challenge, okay, na pwedeng dumating pero i-grab mo. Yeah. Could be a fire sign. Merong fire sign dito, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What else? Okay, Strength in reversed. And the Six of Wands. Yeah. Okay, this is getting a lot of attention or more attention from other people or in general. This is, sabihin nating, marami lang makaka-recognize. Okay, maraming makaka-recognize. Walang blockage yung iba. Yeah, walang blockage. So, kapag ganito yung energy mo, yung parang nakikilala ka. So, expect mo na lahat ng pwedeng makakita sa'yo, makakilala sa'yo is hindi lang magandang sasabihin, kundi meron ding masama. Okay? Ito yung parang open na open ka eh. Yeah, the Six of Wands. This is energy po ng victory, energy ng success, if ever. Okay? So, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. So, some of you, meron ditong Leo ako nakikita. Specific, yung iba na merong sabihin nating physical na nararamdaman, pain, whatsoever, nakakuha ko ng energy rito ng paggaling. Okay, paggaling. So, grabbing opportunities na pwedeng mag-success eventually. Okay? Yung challenge na nakita ko rito, may chance na ikaw yung maging okay. Like, sabihin natin ikaw yung magwawagi, no? Mas ikaw yung tatangkilikin if ever, no? So, there. Nice. Nice, nice. Oo. So, again, para mag-manifest, share the video. Share the video. So, next. Okay, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so anong meron? Again, para mag-manifest, no? Yung mga gandang energies. Inyong i-share yung video kasi kailangan pong marami ang makaalam, marami ang makarinig. Okay? So, wala namang masama. So, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Anong kailangan mong malaman, marinig? Mensahe, gabay, prediction. The moon in reverse. Excuse me. This is Pisces energy. The moon in reverse and the wheel of fortune in reverse. May i-reveal sa'yo si universe. Someone's getting their karma. Okay? Merong ipapaalam sa'yo si universe. Yeah, specifically, pwedeng may magdadala ng balita sa'yo about a person, a specific person na nakagawa ng hindi tama sa'yo, and then may ganito kang malalaman na balita sa kanya na they're not doing well, may ganito, may issue, ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Pisces. Hindi ko alam. Some of you, maawa ka. May chance pang tutulungan mo. What else? Page of Wands. This is attention. Okay, somebody's waiting for you to give them attention. Okay, or pwedeng ikaw ito. This is a fire sign. Meron ditong sabihin nating nasa waiting game. Whoops! Ay, okay, waiting game. Diba? Meron ditong nasa waiting game. Anong mangyayari? Let's see. If you are somebody, meron kang ka-waiting game. Diba? Nag-iintayan kayo. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Kumukuha ito. Meron ditong kumukuha ng tulong from other people, parang ganyan, to get your attention. Or pwedeng ikaw. Okay, it's like an advice. Yeah, the Emperor. This is like ego, pride, no? Okay, kaya parang nagpapauyuhan. Oo, parang ganyan. Okay? Meron ditong under evaluation sa workplace. Yeah. Pwedeng papatawag ka ng HR. It's up to you kung igagrab mo yung opportunity na pwedeng sasabihin sa'yo or what. There's an offer for you. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. So, this is an energy of connecting, or maybe signs. Okay, the Magician. This is Virgo. The Knight of Pentacles. Meron ditong namamanifest pero sobrang bagal. Okay, pwedeng mabagal, halos wala ng galaw. Yeah, the Sun Universe. Pwede pong kayo ay nasasabotahe energetically ng kung sino. Okay? Meron po. Lalo na sa workplace or yeah, in terms of kaperahan, meron po ditong nabablock. Yes. So, kung meron kayong inaasahan na mga, sabihin nating pera, pwedeng sa tingin niyo bakit ganyan, wala pa rin, ang tagal, may chance po na kayo nasasabotahe sa energy. Meron pong pwedeng nagbabato ng evil eye, mga ganyan. Okay? Or talagang nananabotahe lang talaga. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, para mag-manifest, no? Yung mga magandang messages na inyong maririnig, you have to share the video. Yes, para marami pong makarinig. Maraming makaalam. Okay? Ganun po yun. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Anong kailangan yung malaman? The Five of Swords in the reversed. The Queen of Pentacles in the reversed. Communication, yeah. Communication. May block communication dito. Pero ang nakikita ko, somebody will unblock. Okay? This is like a need na mangyari. A need to communicate. Pwedeng from, sabihin nating, a mother figure or a father figure. Parang ganyan. No, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Meron ditong pwedeng, nagtatago ng kung ano mang nararamdaman. This is like physical. Anyway, so let's see. Pwedeng may mangyaring pag-uusap. Yeah, communication. The Knight of Swords. Meron ditong bigla ang sabihin nating mabubuksan na topic. Okay, may mabubuksan na topic, the Magician. May mga mag-open up, I think, in general. Yung parang hindi nabibigyan na, hindi na i-address, mga ganyang bagay. Yung parang naisasantabi. Meron pong mga may open, actually. Okay? So, what else? The Six of Pentacles. Pwedeng meron dito mga mababayaran or ikaw itong makakapagbayad. Meron ding energy dito ng forgiveness, energy ng another chance. Okay? So, we have here earth sign, air. What's with this Six of Pentacles? Oh, somebody's expecting lahat ng sinabi ko kanina, pwedeng ito is nag-e-expect ng ganon. Okay? Mayroon ditong naghihintay. They're just sitting down, waiting. Okay? Yung iba dito pwedeng mag-i-invest. Yes, mag-i-invest. At magtitiwala kayo doon sa pag-i-investan nyo. Kung ano man ang meron pagdating dyan sa pamemera nyo. Okay? Kailangan is pwede ninyong mapagkatiwalaan. Okay? Yung mga mag-i-invest dito, I don't know kung anong meron. Kung anong gagawin nyo sa pamemera nyo. Okay? Kung ipapahiram ninyo or i-invest ninyo, dapat alam nyo na pwede nyo pagkatiwalaan. Okay? So, what else? Water signs. Meron din naghihintay dito na magkaroon kayo ng another chance. Six of Cups in reversed. Iba rito, pwedeng meron nga makikipagayos pero hindi ko alam kung kayo ba ay magbibigay ng forgiveness sa kanila kasi we have here the Six of Cups universe. Energy ito ng somebody's being bitter. Okay, bitterness. Pwede kasing hindi mo i-grab yung opportunity na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos or what. Anyway, what's with the Six of Cups universe? Kaya, so ang nakikita ko dito, yung pahaba ng panahon habang tumatagal. Ito yung isang magiging sanhi, okay? Ito yung parang magsisilbing, okay, parang hahayaan ko na to, pero ayaw nila to. Okay, ayaw nila yung situation na hindi kayo okay. So, ayaw rin naman nila na sila ay walang ginagawa towards the situation. Pero, it's like, hindi ko kaya. See? The Eight of Swords universe, they're feeling stuck. Okay? Feeling stuck. The Tower universe. Hindi nila ma-avoid to. Some of you, ikaw ito. Water signs. Some of you. Meron din ditong gustong makipagbalikan or pwedeng may nakipagbalikan lang dito dahil may takot lang na malungkot, mga ganyan. Okay? May takot lang na malungkot, may takot na parang mag-isa, kaya okay, sige, go, makikipagbalikan lang ako makikipagbalikan lang ako kasi kailangan ko pero yung sabihin nating nakipagbalikan dahil gusto nga makasama yung person, love niya yung person, wala akong makitang ganun. So, kung meron mga makikipagbalikan at kung ikaw yung makikipagbalikan, parang ganun yung nakikita ko. I'm sorry. Anyway, so next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so let's see. Mensahe, gabay, prediction for you, Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And para mag-manifest yung mga gandang energies, you have to share the video para po maraming alam, makarinig ng mga mensahe na yun. Okay? So, let's see. Okay, kunin ko to. The Magician. This is connection. Some of you, somebody wants to communicate. Could be a Virgo. Or maybe, this is, in general, this is manifestations. Okay? The Queen of Swords in the reversed. Somebody wants communication pero they don't know how. They're afraid. Yeah. Gusto nilang makipag-connect or they want connection in general. Edi pwedeng ex mo. Kung sino man yung ex mo, they're like afraid, angry, diba? Hatred, may ganyang energy from them. Pero wala eh. Why the Queen of Swords in reverse? They want connection, communication, pero they can't. Why? Maybe they're like sawa na sa on-off. Or andun yung energy na parang wala silang, hindi sila na mag-asa. Yeah, or maybe they can't step up or hindi nila kaya na maging mature sa situation. They're afraid. Pero they want this. So, paano yun? Could be a Virgo. We have here Libra. A Sagittarius. I heard Sagittarius. Okay, so what else? Earth signs. Oh. Okay. Oh. So, 8 of Cups in reverse, the Chariot in reverse. This is, in general, an energy of delays. Some of you, there could be delays pagdating po sa travels. Okay? Meron dito hindi pa makamove on. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah. They need you. Some of them, they want to say they're sorry. Okay, yeah. Yung ex mo, nangingibabaw, earth signs. Yung ex mo, nangingibabaw. Okay. So, it could be younger. Yeah, they want this. They'll want this. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. I don't know kung gano'n na kayo katagal nitong taong to na hiwalay, pero still can't move on. The person still choosing to stay. Okay? Kahit sabihin man natin na ito ay mayroon ng nakakarelasyon, pero ikaw pa rin yun nasa isip at puso. Yeah. So, kawawa lang yung mga nakakarelasyon ng taong to kung sakali. What else? The Moon. May nagmamanifest sa'yo. Okay? Magician, 8 of Cups Universe, the Moon. May nagmamanifest dito. Kung sino man yun, sobrang kailangan ka niya. Nalulungkot na sila. They're longing for you. They're mirroring you actually. If you were silent, they are silent. Okay? So, kung anong ginagawa mo, ginagawa rin nila. Okay. They're trying to stalk. I'm seeing somebody stalking. What's with that Moon? The King of Wands. Somebody is into you, like physically. Somebody is thinking of you sexually. Okay. I'm hearing a connection dito po. No, it's like a secret affair. At may nangyayari na. Yeah. I heard infidelity, the Queen of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Wands in reverse. This is like a secret affair. A secret affair. Pwedeng iba dito may kakonek. Sinasabi lang dito na kung sakali man nasa ganyan kayong connection, ang sinasabi dito Ace of Wands in reverse. Walang patutunguhan po. Yeah. Pero syempre, kanya-kanya pa rin yan. Okay? Iba pa rin ang personal reading. Pero hindi ko sinasabing, may chance or what. Anyway. Okay? Yeah. Depende pa rin sa magiging reading ninyo. So, sex-based connection. I'm hearing sex-based. If ever. So, it's like, tumatakbo lang po yung connection nyo sa pamamagitan nun. Kung wala yun, wala. Kung wala yun, hindi tatakbo yung connection nyo. Okay? Somebody's waiting in vain. Somebody. Some of you, may chance na same gender, pero the other person loves you. Pero mas pinaninindigan nila kung ano man yung meron sa inyo ngayon, lalo na kung kayo is separated. They're waiting. They're like sad. Pero they're longing for you, craving for you, waking for you. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And isa po nating FB page, I don't know, yung ating YT channel. Okay? Yung ating love letter. So again, yeah, thank you. Goodbye.